Good afternoon. What a beautiful day it is today. Today we've got something that I ordered a while back at the ride this morning. Got myself a vinyl cutter to do my stickers and my decals, and who knows, maybe start a sideline business to bump up the content for the channel and create money for this channel. So without further ado, let's go and check what I got. So this is what we've got. We've got the Cricut Explore A2 vinyl cutter, and we've got a takeout box. Let's open up and see what's in this box, what I've got, and then let's unpack that one and see what's all in the box, and then go through the contents and hopefully do a setup. Okay, let's open up this one first and see what we've got in this box. Box for 3 rolls of vinyl. We've got some glossy sticker grey vinyl, yellow, and some black. Okay, so that's going to be for the decals that I want to do, and some stickers that I want to create for my friends. Put that one side. Let's open up this one over here and let's see what's happening in this one here. Alright, first up, what have we got in the box? We've got our cutting mat, some paperwork, and see what's in here. Cardstock. So it looks like they gave us some cardstock to practice on, black, blue, and looks like white, so we can cut some items out there for us. Then we've got, let's have a look here. It started in 4 steps. Our cards, basically what's on the back of it. So let's put that back in the holder that we've got it. Put that down. Then we've got that there. Right, so it's time to take this one out of the box and see what we've got here. Okay. Right, in the box, power cable, power bar, adapter, and then we've got the 2-pin, which is more ideal for South Africa. We've got a pin and our USB cable. Now this is Bluetooth compatible from what I see. Let's just do this. Anything else in the box? Nothing else in the box. Okay, let's open up and have a look here. Here we go, our Cricut Explore A2. Quite small, it's not a big machine. It's got the dial for the different, let me show you. It's got the dial for the different settings. You got paper, vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, poster board, and then obviously your custom setting there. So we'll go through setup and see how that works. Right, okay, we've got it set up in its home and it's going to sit. So we're going to try to Bluetooth to the MacBook and set up the software on that. So I've got all my design software and my images that I want to have done on there already, so it'll be easier to work with that. Right, so this here, this P, let me just focus in on this. This section here is B. If you open it up, it comes out. This is the oops. This is the blade. As you can see, that's the blade. So we put that in there and we close it up. This one I'm taking is for the pin that we got with it, the filter pin. Okay, let me get to setting this thing software up and see how we go about with setting that up.